The steel wire industry in India is poised to grow, and we see a lot of acceptability from international customers for Indian products. And all these customers are coming here looking for a long-term partnership. And as a response to the pandemic and what happened worldwide, they want India to be a part of the supply chain. Initially, they are talking about China plus one, and hopefully, it will become India plus one in the future. Now, that is what we are looking forward to. That what gives us a lot of strength, and it gives us also a lot of positive outlook towards the growth of the steel wire industry. We've been trying to meet customer needs. Now, along with Aatmanirbhar Bharat, our Prime Minister said, you must make in India, which is basically Aatmanirbhar Bharat and make for the world, which means we must focus on exports. India is going to be making 300 million tons of steel. We are already the second largest. Of course, we are a very poor second cousin because China is 10 times the production of India. But we are picking up, and if we are the second largest, it is inevitable that we will be exporting a lot of steel. And when we are exporting steel, we will be exporting steel products and downstream products also. There will be a market for that. It will be feasible to export from India, and that is what gives me a very positive outlook for India. The commitment of Group Nirmal is that we will try and make better quality products than products which are already being imported, not being made in India. We will make better quality products so that not because there are any trade barriers, but because our product quality and services is good, our people in India will not think of importing. That is the main idea behind Aatmanirbhar. Plus, inputs which are needed for any output which is going to be exported, because apart from wires, there are many wire products which are going to be exported and which are needed in the export products. Our customers should be able to say with pride that I am using wires from a company which is making to international standards, so my product also is of international standards. That is basically what our aim is. The biggest challenge that the steel wire industry faces is raw material security. Now, in India today, we are faced with a situation where the number of people producing good quality wire rods is, you can count on your fingers. And as a result of that, coupled with barriers to imports, which result in making imports unviable, raw material availability at a feasible price is becoming very difficult. This needs to be looked into and addressed, hopefully with capacity increasing and availability become more than demand. This price will correct. Apart from that, I don't see another challenge. Whatsoever the challenge is there for the steel wire industry, that is to be met by the steel wire industry itself by upgrading themselves and changing their mindset. 1st of all, I'll talk about the 50 years of journey where we say that we have to look back and move ahead. Basically, what we mean to say is business values which will be there since the 50 years ago, that we will continue. Those business values are what has brought us where we are. Looking ahead, we have to be number one in technology. We have to be looking ahead to what is tomorrow, what is to be done tomorrow, what is needed tomorrow, and we have to look ahead to that and prepare for it now. But the culture which we've worked for the last 50 years, we must look back and maintain that culture. That is what looking back means. 5 years down the line, Group Nirmal wants to be an excellent quality producer of steel wires and wire products who delights customers, where customers should come and say, I want Nirmal Wires products. And that is what we want to achieve down the line, because the logo of Nirmal and the brand of Nirmal, that should be recognized as a trusted brand, and people, once they see that brand, they should stop worrying about service and quality. That if that brand is there, it means service and quality.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.